Hello everyone, Dr. Arvind Nandikishore here. Welcome to another brand new video by Finance with AB. In this video, we are going to discuss the brand new IPO which hits the primary market on 10th of September. In fact, there are three IPOs, and in this one, we are going to discuss the first of them, which is SHRINGAR House of MANGALSUTRA Limited IPO. Without further delay, let's get right into the details of the IPO. The IPO name is SHRINGAR House of MANGALSUTRA Limited IPO. Incorporated in 2009 January, the company is basically based in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The company designs, manufactures and markets Mangalsutra in India. What is Mangalsutra, right? Let's get to see what is Mangalsutra. It's basically a traditional necklace crafted from gold and black beads, right? So we might have seen our mothers or our sisters wearing that kind of a necklace after their marriage, right? So these are worn by married women, symbolizing marital status. Only married women wear this. This is believed to bless and extend life of the spouse. Spouse is the woman or the married woman. So the Mangalsutra also indicates personal identity, cultural heritage, and marital commitment to the family as well as the husband. The company also features stones including American diamonds, cubic zirconia, pearls, zirconia from zirconium, pearls, all intricately set in 18 karat and 22 karat gold. So these are some of the stones which they have included in the 24 karat as well as 18 karat gold ornaments or the basically necklaces for preparing the Mangalsutras. Moving on, the company follows a B2B, which is business to business model. They sell products to corporate clients, wholesale jewelers, and retailers as well. The company has contributed 6% of organized Mangalsutra market in calendar year 2023 as per reports. The company has also recently launched 24 karat segment, which is straight away available in their website. So this is one info I got from their website, directly from the website. The company has also expanded to UK, UAE, USA, New Zealand as well as Fiji for their global business. These are some of their clients. Most of the names which we know, whose hoardings and boards we see regularly: Joe Alcas, Tanishq, Malabar Golden Jewelers, Reliance Jewelers, Indri Aditya Birla Jewelry, so on and so forth, GRT Jewelry, PN Gadgil Jewelers, everyone. Okay, so there are multiple clients who are well established across the country. Moving to the financials of the company, the top line as well as bottom line, we can see there is a steady increase in the top line from around 951 crore to 1430 crore in FY25. The bottom line, however, has seen quite a drastic increase from 23 crore to almost 61 crore, that is close to tripling over the period of 3 financial years. Some of the key metrics: the market cap stands at around 1600 crore, just less than 1600 crore. Return on equity is healthy at 40%, return on capital employed at 32%, return on net worth at 36%, EBITDA margins just meager at 6.48%. The PE ratio, due to some reason I haven't included, knowingly I haven't included, because in the pros and cons section I will tell in detail about that. The price to book value stands at 5.93. Some of the peer comparison with their revenue, the SHRINGAR House of Mangalsutra stands at almost 1430 crore, which is not the highest among the segment. Among the listed peers, the highest revenue is for Sky Gold and Diamonds, but still it is at least a competitor to RBC Jewelers as well as Utsav CZ Gold Jewelers in terms of revenue FY25. Moving on, the issue is 100% fresh capital. So all the shares are newly issued shares and there are no shares being offloaded by the promoters. Objectives of the issue: 280 crore out of the 401 crore IPO is going for working capital requirements. That is more than 50%. In fact, that is close to 70%. And 220 crore is going for general corporate purposes. Now, the pros and cons of the company. The company has consistently improving revenue as well as profit after tax, as we saw in the financials. The extensive cultural heritage as well as gold demand in India could also be a positive factor for them. They also have integrated manufacturing and quality assurance facility within their own backyard. The global presence is also diversification of geographical presence. That is also a pro for the company. Moving on to the cons, the company operates in a very highly competitive as well as fragmented market segment. The gold to silver ratio is currently at around 85. Now, this is one important thing. See, over the period of, let's say, past 50-60 years, the gold-silver ratio generally remains in the range of 60 to 70. Now, by this I mean, if with the amount of buying 1 gram gold, you can buy almost 60 to 70 gram silver. That's how simple it is. Now, this ratio is almost at 85. And if history is to repeat, the gold to silver ratio will come back to 60 to 70. In that case, there are two possibilities. Either gold price should drop or silver prices should spike up. So if gold price is to drop, because it is a possibility, because for the past few years it has rallied like anything. In that case, their overall revenue could also be affected. Now, the numbers raise some eyebrows. See, the increase in bottom line from 23 crore to 61 crore, that is as per the red herring prospectus. It is raising some eyebrows. So again, no more comments on that, but at least that is one point added by me. So if you want to neglect, you can. Some of the key dates. The IPO opens on 10th of September, closes on the 12th of September. The lot size is 90 shares and the cutoff price is at 165 rupees per share. There are 2 crore 43 lakh shares amounting to almost 401 crore rupee. The listing date is 17th of September, which is tentative. So those are the details of the IPO in a nutshell. Now, to my verdict, or will I be applying for this IPO, I might probably be staying away from this IPO, mainly because the PE ratios of its listed peers stand somewhere below the PE ratio of SHRINGAR IPO. After it is, the post IPO fully diluted paid up equity capital. After all this IPO issuing, let's say the IPO issue price is the cutoff price itself, and after listing, the PE ratio might somewhere be around 26, which is not highly favorable. So the issue kind of seems aggressively priced. So I might be staying away from this IPO, and this is no stock recommendation for you to stay away from this IPO or consider. So if you found some value in this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel as well. So till we meet again in the next video, take care, goodbye and Jai Hind.